Hello everyone, I'm Richard Murray, COO and co-owner of Telarus. I'm incredibly excited to see you at Channel Partners Expo in Vegas. Come see the Telarus team at 10:30 on Wednesday the 11th. Join us in Veronese 2403 for Survivor, the Emerging Technology Edition. Contestants are going to battle wits to see who has the most knowledge of emerging technology. Don't miss out on your chance to vote people off the island and win prizes at the same time. We'll have incredible suppliers with us: Thrive, CoreSite, Smart Action, Nice in Contact, iNap, and 8x8, along with our EVP of Business Development, Roger Blom, and the entire Telarus Biz Dev team who will be participating in this business-changing game.